Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuse for the electric power steering fuse relay on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. And guys, by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, power steerings, anything, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and also you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The electric power steering fuses and relays, let's explain, guys, where we can find them on that generation Jeep Cherokee. But quick advice, guys, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. We were told by our subscribers. So what do we need to do now? We need to open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easily accessible, but some people may not even know about this fuse. Facing the engine, it's on the right side. This is the driver's side. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So guys, what we guys have here, let's explain now. We need to check one main fuse. You see, you have some fuses, but the biggest one, what is here, like 50 amps, I believe, but usually the power steering is more than that. It's in most cases it's at least 80 amp fuse. Where it's located, you're not gonna see it here, right? Look at these things. That's actually an integrated fuse box. Those are the main fuse boxes. They even have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. The fuse that we need to check for electric power steering is that one here. Unfortunately, if it goes bad, you have to replace the whole thing, which is not very complicated, but that's the fuse that you will need to check if it's good or not, guys. That fuse number 1. You don't have a relay, okay? You just have that fuse that you will need to check. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.